Yours truly. Hey everyone, welcome back to Interesting and Different. It's yours truly here, and today we're diving into the world of tech and AI with some exciting video ideas that are sure to capture the imagination of anyone curious about the latest innovations and developments. Quick question. Did you know that AI can now compose music, create art, and even write stories? Yeah, it's not just for science fiction anymore. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel some of the coolest tech and AI trends that you can transform into captivating YouTube content. First up, we have quantum computing, the buzzword that's reshaping the future. Imagine computers that think at a quantum level, solving problems faster than you can say qubit. Dive into what quantum computing is and how it's set to revolutionize everything from weather forecasting to AI development. Next, let's talk about AI in your pocket and home. From your smart thermostat anticipating your comfort needs to your smartphone predicting your next favorite song, AI is making our gadgets smarter. A review video showcasing these intelligent technologies will resonate with viewers looking to enhance their modern lifestyle. Calling all creators, did you know AI can transform your creative process? Let's explore tools that assist with video editing, graphic design, and content generation. Whether you're a YouTuber or a graphic designer, there's an AI tool ready to elevate your craft. Time for some brain food, ethical considerations in AI. With AI's rapid growth comes responsibility. Discuss these ethical dilemmas and their implications in different fields. Engage in content for those who love a good moral debate. Let's step into the world of medicine, where AI is turning fiction into reality by improving diagnostics and patient care. From AI-driven MRI analysis to AI in telemedicine, there's a revolution brewing in healthcare that's worth reporting on. Feeling adventurous? How about a step-by-step tutorial to build your own AI app? Perfect for beginners, this video could focus on easy projects like chatbots or recommendation systems. Inspire your audience to dive into AI development themselves. Ever wonder what the big players in tech are cooking up? Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon are pushing boundaries with AI. A video reviewing their latest projects will surely pique the interest of tech enthusiasts. Yours truly. I could go on forever. But to give you a quick snapshot, compare AI-powered personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, delve into the fascinating world of AI and autonomous vehicles, or unravel the interplay between virtual reality and AI for immersive experiences. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it, folks. 20 creative ideas to explore the ever-evolving fields of tech and AI on YouTube. In a world where technology advances at lightning speed, there's no better time to start making videos that inform, entertain, and inspire your audience. Remember, technology waits for no one, so start crafting that awesome content today. If you like these ideas, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Interesting and Different for more exciting insights. Got a tech topic you're particularly passionate about? Drop it in the comments below. I'm yours truly, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring.